Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to another session of yoga with me. I hope you all are doing good. So, this session is about gentle pelvic opening. These days, we all have sedentary lifestyle. We keep sitting and we work on laptop or any other thing. What it does is it restricts the blood flow in the pelvic area. Now when the blood flow in the pelvic area is blocked, it causes certain reproductive health concerns. It can aggravate your period pain. It can decrease or reduce the quality of your egg. It can impact your fertility journey as well. So just 10 minutes of this yoga flow is going to do wonders to your health, especially your reproductive health. So let us get started. Before we begin this session, I would like you to let me know what would you like to see more on my channel? What more videos should I upload? So let us get started. We will sit in butterfly, Baddha Konasana. You can take a pillow. As you can see, I am sitting on a cushion. This is going to give support to your spine. So join the sole of your feet together. Let us do some gentle pelvic opening. So you are going to give support to your knee. Close the knee. Inhale. Exhale. Press it down. When you're pressing down, make sure you're not pressing the knees down. No, never. Press your thighs down. Inhale. Close. Exhale. Thighs down as if you are giving a good stretch, releasing the tension. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Continue this for a few times with a gentle smile on your face. One last, down and hold. Now, for a deeper stretch, you can drop your palms down. Take a deep inhale, expand your chest. Exhale, go forward. Keep pushing the knees down. If possible, drop your elbows down. If you can't, it's okay. Just remain here for 3 deep breaths. With every exhale, release the tension from the pelvis. And keep imagining that the blood flow in the pelvis is increasing, supporting your reproductive organs. And then slowly come back up. Keep sitting in butterfly. Now from here, let us do cat and cow stretch. Grab your knees. This is going to release tension from your back. As you inhale, open the chest nicely. As you exhale, hunch your back. Inhale, open the chest nicely. Exhale, hunch your back. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Wonderful. Let us do side stretches to release the tension. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, walk your right hand to the right side. Bend slightly on the right and hold for 3 deep breaths. Feeling a nice stretch. Chest open. Slowly come back up again. Inhale. As you exhale, walk to the other side for 3 deep breaths. Make sure you're not covering your face with your arm. Chest open. And slowly come back up. Now here we are going to do some seated rolls. Very, very wonderful way to open your pelvis. So with inhale, you are going to open the chest. Drop your knee to the right, center, left. As you exhale, grab your knees and go back. Okay, you are going to make 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise circles like this. And when you feel comfortable in this movement, just gently close your eyes and observe the body moving. Make sure you are doing with your breath. Inhale, we go forward. Exhale, we come back. If you are not able to do this properly, it's okay. With time, when the flexibility will improve, it will happen properly. Now reverse 5 times. And relax. Perfect. Now open your legs and shake, relax. You can also let me know what all your concerns are in the comments and I will reply to them. Release. Do some ankle rotation quickly. 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise. And reverse. And I was also thinking to make videos in Hindi. So what do you want to see more, in Hindi or in English? Do let me know. Now let us do Upvisht Konasana. Keeping the legs apart as much as you can open. Now I can open this much very comfortably. If you feel like opening this much is difficult, you can just reduce. Pull your toes back. If this feels difficult, just keep them relaxed. Place your palms on the knees. Inhale, open the chest, squeeze the shoulder back. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Wonderful way to stretch your inner thighs. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. When you're going down, make sure you're not hunching. Keep the chest open. One last. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Now drop your palms on the floor. If possible, walk forward or just maybe stay here. You can try if you can drop the elbows down. No problem if you cannot drop them down right now. Just take 3 deep breaths wherever you are without straining the body. And slowly come back up. Relax. Shake. Now we have done the pelvis, inner thighs. Now let us work on the hamstring. Hamstring tightness is one of the major reason of pelvic tightness. Okay, so let us work on it. Keep sitting on your pillow with your spine erect. Now bend your one knee, grab your thigh, interlock your finger. Inhale, open the chest. Come on your heel, lift your leg up, knee straight. If you cannot keep it straight all the way, it's okay. If you are here also. Exhale, bend. Avoid dropping it. Inhale up. Exhale, bend. Do it for a few times. Inhale, feeling the nice stretch in the back of the leg. Exhale, bend. Inhale up. Keep pulling the toe down. Exhale, bend. 3 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One last. Inhale and hold. Pull your toe down. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Now drop the foot down. Now touch the inside of the foot, the sole of the foot on the inside of the thigh like this, dropping the knee down. Let us do Janu Sirsasana one time. Inhale, stretch your both arms up. Exhale, down. Drop your palms here or see if you can go forward without hunching. Chest open, lengthen your spine and forward. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back. Now repeat the same on the other side. Bend your another leg. Inhale up. Exhale down. Few times. Inhale. Feel the stretch in the back of the leg. Exhale, bend. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Let us do one more. Inhale up and hold for last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Now touch the sole of the foot on the inside of the thigh. Janu Sirsasana. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, bend. Pull your toe back if you can. Hold for 5 deep breath. For 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Come back. Now we will remove the pillow. And we are going to do half pigeon and then full pigeon. So bend your knee, inhale in the center, exhale, turning to one side, making sure both the knees are making 90-degree angle. Now this is an easier variation of full pigeon. Now put your entire weight on the front knee, pressing the front knee down consciously, dropping the palms forward, feeling a nice stretch in the hip joint, the front hip joint. Chest open, stay here. Take 3 deep breaths. If possible, you can extend your body, maybe dropping the elbows down. And slowly come back up. Now see if you can move to full pigeon pose. If you can't, you can stay here also. For that, slightly take your ankle in. Now straighten your back leg like this. Okay, so we are pressing the thigh against the floor. Now putting the entire body weight on the back leg in pigeon pose. Palms forward. If possible, extend your arms forward if you can, dropping the head down or maybe remaining on the elbows. Make sure you're not twisting the body like this. Okay? Take 3 deep breaths with your full awareness on the pelvis. And then slowly come back up. Let us repeat the same on the other side. Inhale, exhale. Now in the half pigeon pose, put your body weight on the front knee, touch it down, both hands in front and stay. It is going to release the tension from the back also. Okay, so stay here. If you can extend, drop your elbows down if possible. If possible, come up and move to full pigeon pose. Palms forward. If possible, stretch your body down and hold for 3 more deep breaths. And slowly come back up. Relax. Now, one last, we will end in Anand Balasana, happy baby pose. Lie down on your back. Hold on to the sole of the foot from inside, okay, not outside. From inside, lifting the ankle up, slightly press your knee down and then move your body right to left. You may keep your eyes closed as you swing here. And relax. Close your legs, hug your knees and relax. Now keep your legs straight. Let us rest in Shavasana for a minute. Hands on the side, eyes closed. Allow your body to rest here. Take a deep breath in through your nose. As you exhale, imagine a wave of relaxing light running down through your entire body, relaxing every single muscle. One more deep breath in. As you exhale, soften your face muscles, your neck, shoulders and the hands, abdomen, hips and the legs. अपने संपूर्ण शरीर को मैट पर ढीला छोड़ दें. Surrendering your entire body weight to the mat. Let us rest here for a minute. Now wiggle your toes and your fingers. Bring them closer. Interlock your finger, giving a good stretch to the body. Pull your arms up and your toes down. Exhale, relax. Bend your knees. Take a turn to the right. Wait here. Slowly get up and sit. Rub your palms. Generate some warmth. Place them on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes in front of your palms. Namaste. I hope you all enjoyed this short and sweet session. Make sure before you leave, you like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Your engagement truly gives me motivation to make more such videos. Take care.